In this quick video, I just wanted to show you how you can use LinkedIn to find groups. So LinkedIn groups, there are lots of them, and you can use them to find groups of like-minded people who you want to connect with or who you want to speak to about what you do. So the easiest thing to do is start in this search bar on the top left-hand corner and type in some sort of keyword for the group that you're looking for. So for instance, if you want something regional, start with Woking, for instance, and you see you get a search here and it's telling you what these things are. So this is a company, a school, a couple of companies. You could click to see all results if you wanted to work through it that way. But if you just say, yes, okay, I'll have a look for Woking, it does take you through to another page where you've got some more granular search. So if you choose from this top menu from here, if you choose groups, then you see you will get a list here of all of the groups that LinkedIn has got that have Woking in the title. So sometimes that two-stage search is the best way to do it.